If you want to be a successful commercial entertainer, click on the link below. Dooney's Coaching Secrets will help you. And my individual one-on-one sessions start at only $300, and it's a money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy with it, I'll give you your money back. Oh, here's another thing. Say you're trying to end your line. And it's time to go, it's late, you've been telling people goodbye, you're trying to end your line, you're down to the last 10. I'll do that exact routine. I'll blow up 10. I won't go through the whole walking through the letters of the alphabet or everything, but I will do the sword fights, and then I will teach them all how to make their dogs. And in 5 minutes, I'm done with my last 10 people, and I don't have to worry about it. They've all got a balloon. Oh, well, they didn't get what they wanted, but they got a balloon. All right, just a thought. Okay, this one is, I don't know, I came up with this one day. I don't know how I came up with these, but you know, I do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a penny inside of a balloon, okay? Maybe I'll pick one that'd be easier to see. All right, penny inside of a balloon. And it's not easy. It takes some practice. You have to, and I haven't done it in a while, so I don't know how I used to do it, but I know I used to stretch the balloon end around the penny, just like this. I'm also trying to show you at the same time. All right, see how it's starting to go around the penny? Then you work it around the penny, just like that. Now you have to work the penny down into the balloon. And what I would do is, you know, this would be like a birthday person one, you know, a birthday kid one. Or if I were going to do, I do these game shows, right? And so I can make these for my game show. Okay. So I've got the balloon in the end. I'm going to use my pump just to put a little bit more air in. Not much. But you can, I don't know if you can see it, but the balloon's inside of there. All right. So now what I'm going to try to do is blow it up all the way. All right. You want to get it all the way so that you can put the penny way down in the end. And when I say way down in the end, I mean all the way to the end. Now I'm going to tie the knot off. Okay. So now I've got a penny in the end. I'm going to leave, oh, I don't know, some playroom. Let's leave some playroom. And then I tie it off again. All right. So what I've got is I've got a penny, a knot, a length of the balloon that's uninflated, and now a little bit of balloon that I can inflate. All right, not much. There's not a lot of room there, right? But what I can make is I can make a circle with a little tiny handle. And the idea is you can use that penny to try to do one of those games where you throw it up and you catch it in the game. Yo, boom. Yo, boom. See? Just like that. Again, I like games. This is a 1 balloon toy. I could make it a 2 balloon toy and give it a handle for the kid to hold on to, right? But this is a 1 balloon toy. Pretty cool.